what's up guys? Today we're in another video and we're griefing with controllers. So let's get to the video. So we have to go in the public first. Now, let's see who we can grief.
You drop your weapon, I grab it, and then I shake this. Okay? Bro, move.
Say no. If you wanna eat, you gotta stop. You already know.
Stop!
I'm like, I can do that.
Wait. It's gonna be big. I think.
I have to go get some.
Have this.
Yeah.
Can you move?
I want.
I'm gonna go my.
Right there. It's on the floor. Bro, it's on the floor.
I bet to
Okay.
this because this amazing.
I can always
and let's try this.
Thank you.
It's like
I
go
can
to this phone. Check this phone.
nice.
Y'all, this my one.
What is this?
Hey, what is all these people this? That's a
I know the camera live, folks.
I need
You don't know what I
something
know,
that
my
don't
What is
good.
What is this? It looks like a door.
You can sell
Flip
something.
over.
If I'm
Flip it over.
You got any manyan, fanyan, and danyan.
It's a painting.
Any manyan, fanyan, and danyan.
So onion painting.
Yo, if you sell
That's
something,
what
I'll
onion
give you that.
painting,
Wait, hold up.
guys.
If you sell something, then I'll give you a prize.
Anyone want to
If you sell
gamble?
something, I'll give you a prize.
Next lobby guys.
Give me a good amount of manyan.
So let's see who I can get in the next lobby. Yo, why is it no one here?
I need money, guys. I need money.
Okay, I'm gonna sell
something where I want to sell
I'm in the.
And you'll get that.
sell something where.
I got into the same lobby. If I get into the same lobby again.
Find the code
That was me.
66666.
Just do 4 sixes.
Yeah.
4 sixes.
4 sixes.
Yeah.
Anybody want to trade for some landmines? You could chill that.
Yeah, what's up, little bro?
Yo, how are you like permanently big? Blue.
Yo, do you know where everybody else is, bro? Do you know where everybody else is? Yo, bro, do you know where everybody else is? Are they at lake? I think they are. Let's go. Oh.
Oh.
What's up, bro?
Thanks.
Oh.
Look, keep spamming it. What? Shoot it.
Oh.
Look, stop shooting.
You came wrong.
Okay. Alright, bro, you're a prick. You're a prick, dude. You're a dickhead.
What's up?
I need a
Why are you so
flamethrower.
rage baiting?
What's this?
Bro's raging over a little bit.
Shove a fist up your ass.
Bruh.
Stupid chicken.
That's the chicken. Bart, what am I controlling my gun?
The guy's driving!
Fire! Fire!
Other one!
Fire!
Whoa! Look at that!
How does this kid know?
But I need that. That's not
I hold it. I can't.
Wait, I want this one. I want this. Here. Sorry.
Anyone got any swords? Another one of those holy sword things? Well, I just I got a gun.
Let's go bowling, kids.
But
Down. Yeah, let's do it. Yo, what's up, buddy?
Okay, can I have it?
Next
Shimon.
lobby.
Thanks. Thank.
Okay, next lobby. Let's see who we control. This troll the video.
Oh, so we can join What you gonna do if I don't?
Who am I supposed to
I'm
add?
a
The
fuck
pineapple?
you, bro. I'll
I
fall
can't see. I want to go
you.
mining.
Do.
Stop. I want to go mining.
Who wants to go mining?
Oh, I connected that.
Mining.
Who wants to go mining with me?
I help you.
I do. Oh my god. Stop!
Nobody wants to go mining.
I want to go mining. I just can't see because of this
Admin.
darn flashlight. Admin. Where are you?
Add
I
me,
can't see
man.
anything.
Add
Who's the
me.
man talking? What's your username? And stop flashing the flashlight.
No, you see, that's not. I'm not
Flashing
shooting
lights.
people and using a.
Okay.
Add me.
I'm leaving
Harley.
this code. This is getting really annoying.
Am I using Harley?
Leaving. Ah. Oh, get off.
Who wants to go mining?
Oh, say you sure? Get grief, buddy. Get grief, buddy. Why do I hear a labubu?
Oh.
So many bananas.
Is it the blue one?
Does anybody want to go mining?
I'll go mining with you, bro. I'll go
Is
mining.
it who? Add me
I'll go
then.
mining.
Add me. I'm
I'll go
Harley.
mining.
My username is Harley. Add me.
No, should we just do it in like this code?
I added you.
No, man. Everybody's just gonna agree.
Oh, go catch it, buddy. Oh my god, bro.
Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm an elf on the
Merry-
behalf of Santa to give
You're
everybody
elf
a
with a
present.
golden hand.
So you've been a good boy. You've all been good this year. Why don't you all have sticks?
The size of your grandma? Nah, I'm good.
Go my stick,
Oh,
bro.
jingle bells, jingle all the way. The
I farted
Batmobile
on your
will
grandma,
go
now
right away.
she is a
Who wants to go mining?
Jingle
Not me.
bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what's fun?
Cause we can't go in this lobby, bro.
Oh, stop.
Now.
Stop it! Get
Boy,
grief,
who wants to
buddy.
go mining?
No one
Are
does,
you ready to
little
go
boy.
mining? You You sound like you're fine, mate. He wants to go mining.
I'm going in a different video. Okay, lobby something. And after this lobby, I'm gonna finish the video. So hopefully you can get some good griefs.
So if I'm going, like, oh, shit, I'll make. There we go.
What are you trying to make, bro?
I'm gonna make like I'm gonna use what's it called?
Ah.
Gadgets. I'm gonna use box fans
Oh.
to make like a thing where I can control where I don't have to like actually turn my body. Hopefully that's the plan.
Oh, yeah, that would be cool.
What? Because I have a remote here, so hopefully that's the plan. I gotta get creative with this with the new like stuff.
Get grief or got grief.
You gotta get really creative because like, oh shoot.
Yeah,
Come
you
on.
have to get creative for that. I don't
Try to put
have, I
this
don't
thing on
have that
accurately,
unlocked yet. Is it? What does it do?
The goop?
No, the
What the?
fin, the red fin.
Here, look, I'll show you. If I put like the remote on, it lets me control it like that with my thumbstick.
Oh.
So, if I were to put like here, I'll show you. If I were to put a box fan on,
Yeah.
right? If I turn it on,
have the perfect
so if you-
PvP.
I turn it on, I can move it. So I should be able to, like, see, I can move it
There's
in like
something
that
on
way.
your back. Wait, hold still. There's something on your back, bro. Let me get it.
Yo,
off.
this is the perfect PvP
There's like this little
item,
green fin
bro.
on your bag.
Dude, this is the perfect
What the
PvP
hell?
item.
Green
All you
yellow.
need is 2 items.
Someone trying to control my bag. That's no bueno.
What? You can control bags these days.
Fuck. I mean, you
Oh
can
my
like
God,
open and close it.
Oh,
Sorry if I
Fly
say
with
this,
the
but
monkey? What?
This is not important.
Oh, cause he has freaking double jump.
Yo,
Yeah,
yo,
that's
guys.
actually funny.
Hey, guys.
Yo.
Hey, guys. You guys wanna see? You guys wanna see something?
Yo, dude,
really fun.
I know the perfect PvP item. Just wait for it. He duplicated it! He duped
I
it!
duped these earlier. Guys, I duped
Oh, I've
these
got like 10
earlier.
of them.
wait, my.
I duped these huge time bombs earlier.
No, I don't want to be
Guys,
Hallelujah! Hallelujah!
these earlier. Who wants to trade for
Oh,
one?
cool, I can do that too.
I'm good.
I'm like, fuck.
Who wants to trade for one? Who wants to trade
Dude,
for
I'm in
huge time bombs?
unholy debt. I'm broke.
Random person with skis.
I'm broke. Sell something.
No, don't do that. You're such a jackass. Oh.
Guys, I have 5 of
Would
these. I have
anyone
5
like
of
to be
these.
blessed?
Guys,
Would
I
you
have
like
5
to
of
be
these.
blessed?
All of you guys have 5
Sold
of
them.
these.
Like blindness. Sold them.
Blindness.
Blindness. Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
Stop with the fucking remote control, please. I'm actually so proud of this. Hello. Whoa! I can fly. I can fly. This is so cool.
I do.
I do.
Come on, stop.
Kind of funny though. Okay, I'll take it off for you. Come here, let me take it off for you. Come here, let me take it off for you. Let me take it off.
Thank you.
I can't take it off, you have to take it off. You have to take it off, just pick it off.
new bundle. What's the new bundle?
You just have to
Stop
pick it off.
teleporting me. Stop it.
Grab him. Just
Stop
grab
teleporting
him. Just grab him. Oh, yeah.
Me
Yeah,
and
and
my
then-
mom.
Yeah.
I'd like it. Who just said that? Who just
I
said
put
that?
it on your uncle.
I have to pick up the sack to play 99 nights.
Bro, have to pick up a
I want
goofy
to do that, I just got up
sack.
Who wants the new bundle? Who wants the new
Can I have
bundle?
the new bundle? T-Rex gun?
T-Rex guy. Me.
Me.
I want the new.
Oh, that's the wrong.
Well, you want to trade?
Move your big backs.
Or you already had it.
Yeah.
So, like and subscribe for another video and join the Discord. Link will be below. So see you on another video.